John, don't drink
Twist
this
it off.
Tabasco.
No, you just take it off. Come on. Come on.
It's not going.
Why are you drinking Tabasco?
I gotta wake up.
Drink the.
So poorly
Oh,
because
John.
Court was badgering
No.
a partisan agenda
No.
and asked questions.
Why? Why are you drinking Tabasco?
Is it
John?
thick? Did it even come out?
John, why are you drinking the Tabasco, John? John, why would you do that?
I might have another one.
Oh, it's so
Don't give him more. The last thing he needs is more Tabasco at this point.
It's in my nose. That's the problem right
Because you
now.
drank
It's in my
Tabasco.
nose.
What did you think was gonna happen?
Go down my throat. That's what's gonna happen.
What did you think was gonna happen?
What you do normally.
This is the type of thing that goes without warning. Tabasco equals pain in your throat, John.
But it's not in my throat. It's in my nose.
Tabasco sauce. Better than
Play it-
energy
Play
drink.
it again, John. Hey, do we have any pixie sticks he could snort?
What? I'm not doing that again. You fooled me once.
I don't have any more, John. I'm sorry.
That's good. I don't want any more.